As we all know, YouTube Shorts is on the rise right now, and it's absolutely a booming business, and a lot of people are using YouTube Shorts to build successful businesses online, from multiple ways to monetizing their content to getting affiliate link sales and all sorts. But did you know there's another big player in the short clip industry as well as image industry over here that you can use to get tens, even hundreds of thousands of views overnight with 0 followers? These algorithms right now are blowing up any accounts at any time, so you don't need a big audience to succeed at this. And the best part is, not only are you getting sales, you're also building an audience which you can monetize for the rest of your life. One of the best ways to go about making money online is to build an audience and to leverage that and monetize that and give value, and in return you can actually make a lot of money online from that. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can leverage this platform over here to really blow up your audience, blow up your sales, Instagram Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, an Instagram page, growing an audience without actually creating this content yourself. So I'm really giving you an epic shortcut in today's video into building a successful business with hardly any effort at all. And if you remain consistent at something like this for the next couple of months, you could be at anywhere between $200 and $1,500 a day in affiliate sales, views, monetization, merch sales. There are about 10 different ways to monetize a social media platform. So if you stick with me at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a free video on 20 different ways that you can make money off of your content. Make sure to watch this video until the end, follow this channel with the bell on, leave a comment, your favorite motivational, inspirational quote, and at the end of this video, I will give that exclusive and free video to you that will explain 20 ways that you can make money off your social media page. So today, guys, I just want to show you a little bit of proof from my own page that I've been growing. It's my own personal page with my own personal brand. There's 2 ways that you can go about this. You can build your own personal brand like I'm doing, or you can build a more niche brand such as memes, pets, funny animal videos, educational videos, finance videos, you name it. You've got to kind of decide what you like. And over here you can see I do create my own content, as that's what I enjoy, but I'm going to show you how you can do this and even get more views without creating any content. I average anywhere between 5, and some of my videos have blown up to like 12k views, 15k views. So I'm getting a decent amount of views. And what I'm doing is I'm leveraging all my Instagram traffic to my YouTube channel, which I then give away free courses and monetize from there. But what a lot of people do is they leave direct affiliate links in their description over here, which I'm going to show you in today's video, how you can do this and build a successful Instagram page leveraging content without actually even making that content yourself. I want to show you something epic, guys. I want to show you a great example of somebody who's been doing this for a long time. I would say at least about a year or 2, and they've absolutely blown up their page. This is now their full-time income. They're making thousands, even sometimes up to tens of thousands of dollars a day in sponsorship videos, sponsorship posts, merch, affiliate links, etc. So take a look at this. One thing I want you to highlight and even write this down, have a look at how many likes the Instagram posts get. Anywhere between, I would say, 3,000 and 6,000 likes. But if you come over to Instagram Reels, take a look at the difference in engagement. 99,000 views, 181, 156, 163. They're averaging, let's say, 150,000 views. So Instagram Reels right now gets a lot more attention, traffic, engagement than that of normal Instagram posts and videos. Reason being is because it's new to Instagram. It's very similar to TikTok, where it's getting a lot of traction. There's a lot of virality. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to go and leverage that. And this page is the perfect example. They don't use their own posts. They're basically reposting other content, and they've absolutely blown up. Another good example over here of a more smaller page is Relationship Quotes Off. Again, if I have a look at their posts, anywhere between 300 and 600 likes. But if I come over to Reels, 30,000 views, 80,000 views, 252,000 views. I mean, they're getting more views than that of followers. So that just shows you don't need a big page to get 2.1 million views over here. Any page can blow up like this at any time. This page over here is also posting on TikTok. So not only are they making money on Instagram, they're doubling up their views, commissions, clicks, likes, you name it, on TikTok over here as well, and getting tens of thousands of views. I mean, some of their videos have gone over 6-figure views, like 350,000. I'm sure they've got 1 million or 2 videos over here. And I mean, again, it's not their content. You can see it's repost. They've just kind of edited into TikToks, and they're doing the same thing on Instagram, and they are making boatloads of money from this. And the beautiful thing about social media is that you can leverage each of these platforms. So you can use TikTok to blow up your Instagram page. You can use Instagram Reels to blow up your TikTok page. So each of them feed each other, and you can use TikTok to blow up your Twitter feed, your Facebook page, your social media website, you name it. You can use it in so many different ways to funnel traffic into various different funnels and offers and make money from that. The second thing we're going to do is we can come over to Google and we just want to go and search relationship quotes. Now I'm going to show you how you can turn these basic quotes on Google into your own content without actually downloading these and using these images. We're just going to be using the text. So there's no copyright issue here. There's no infringement issues. You can go and use these quotes over here as your own. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to a website called canva.com, and this is a tool where we can go and create free graphic designs from Facebook posts to Instagram stories, reels, new merch, little song covers, little meme covers. What we want to go and search for over here is reels on the search bar, and you'll see Instagram reels video over here is the option you want to select because it's already at the right resolution, 1080 by 1920. Click on this and it will open up the new design canvas over here with a whole bunch of different templates. We're going to go and select a blank template over here, so it will open up the Canva design page, and on the left you've got tons of different templates that you can go and choose from. All of these are absolutely for free, so let's go and have a look through some of these and choose one that kind of matches the relationship chill view kind of vibe idea over here. I'm going to go and choose this template over here. I really like the idea of this little message idea, which is quite cool. So it's kind of like a text on a screen, and we can actually go and fit quotes into this. So this is quite a nice niche to go and start with the iPhone text message with some cool view background. So you can just click on the background. If you want to delete that, you can actually go and delete that and change your background as well. We're then going to come back to the relationship quotes over here, and we can go and use any one of these quotes and fit this into our new templates. So let's go and type here. For example, crush. We can make this as if it's a message from our crush. And for this quote over here, we can go and use this one. It will then look something like this. I'm going to click on play and take a look at this. As you can see, there's no audio with this template right now. So we can go and get free copyright-free music to go and add to this and play in the background. So we can come over to YouTube Audio Library, click on the top link over here. It's called Audio Library -YouTube, and we want to go and look for sad/in love songs. So let's go and download this one over here. It actually sounds pretty good. I'm going to click on download, come back to your template, click on uploads, click on upload media, and upload that same song that we just downloaded from the YouTube audio library. And as you saw, this is actually a pretty epic piece of content. It took me 2 minutes, didn't use any of my own pictures, didn't use my voice. I just copied and pasted a quote from Google, which I plugged into my own template on Canva, which again is completely for free. So I mean, the whole gold mine is here. You just need to know how to go and leverage this. And if you spend 10 to 20 minutes a day posting this on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, you're going to get a lot of views. The third thing we need to do is to go and make money from this. So we're going to come over to a website called Linktree over here, which is a bridge page where we can go and list multiple links in the bios of our TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube short pages. So we can click on get started for free. I already have an account. I'm going to click on login. On this dashboard, you're going to get a page that looks like this, and we can go and add all sorts of links and buttons, which can then funnel our traffic from Instagram Reels, TikTok, etc. to our different affiliate links. So in order to go and get some affiliate links, we can come over to clickbank.com, log in or sign up with your account. I'm going to log in with my existing account. On the marketplace of ClickBank, you've got all these different categories over here of different products that you can go and promote. Now, if you go and search in the search bar, the relationship niche, there are tons of relationship related affiliate products that obviously suits your content, since it's about quotes and relationships and that kind of thing. The product that you promote must obviously be related to your niche of the content that you're posting on social media. You can't go and post a sports affiliate product if your page is about relationship quotes. It's not going to make sense. Your audience is going to be confused. So over here is a really good product called the Relationship Manifestation. So this is a really unique product for the female market interested in dating and relationship. So we can go and click on promote over here. And you'll see you're going to earn $12 per sale. Go and copy your affiliate link over here. Come back to Linktree, click on add new link, paste the URL of your link. For the title, we can just paste the title of our product, Relationship Manifestation. We can click on add new link, and we can go and add a second product and make money off multiple products at the same time. Let's go and use loving your long distance relationship. So let's click on promote. We can go and click on generate hot links, copy link again. Close this, come back to Linktree here, paste your URL, and just go and copy your title. And then what you can go and do is you want to go and create a YouTube Shorts, a TikTok page as well. So we can go and type here our TikTok, You want to put the link to your TikTok link, add a new link over here. Let's just go, for example, tiktok.com/relationship advice or whatever. We can then go type URL number 2, YouTube, and then you can put your YouTube link over here. So we can just type a youtube.com/relationship and enable that link here. So now if I go and copy the link to this page and open this in a new page, this is what your page is going to look like. There are different buttons to different links. So this link over here to this Linktree page, you're then going to go and post on your bio over here. So let's go and have a look. There's which would look like this. So over here you can see I've got my YouTube link. Your Linktree link would be pasted over here in your bio. Let's take a look at it like this. The average conversion rate is usually about 1 to 2%. That means 1 to 2 people in every 1,000 people will purchase your product. Now if you're getting thousands of views like this page over here, 30,000 views, 37,000 views of your content, and you get, let's say, 20 sales a day at, that is $12 commission. Let's go and calculate over there. Let's go and calculate that on the calculator. So this is 1203 multiplied by 20 sales a day is $240 a day, multiplied by 30 is $7,000 a month. Now, obviously, if you're getting a page that's getting hundreds of thousands of views, it's going to be way more. Let's go 100 sales a day multiplied by 1203. That is now $1,200 a day times 30. That's now $36,000 a month. So you can see how a YouTube Shorts page, a TikTok page, and an Instagram Reels page, building an audience over time, getting more and more views and traffic can really blow up into a 5, 6, even 7-figure business. Just to quickly recap, you want to go over to Instagram, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, post this kind of content of these little Instagram Reels that I showed you. It also is the same size as TikToks, and you want to go and post, I would say, once a day. Set consistency because the YouTube algorithm favors consistency. Those are the content creators that usually go viral. Most people post on these platforms expecting to go viral their first night, millions of views, and 99% of them get disappointed. It doesn't work like that. Your first few videos might only get a couple of views, but usually after your 20th or 30th video, they really start to take off, and that's when you get a lot of sales and can cash in all these commissions. So I really recommend go and give this a try, but I'm also going to help you out in this video. I'm going to give you my entire affiliate marketing playlist over here that will help you with tons of traffic methods to your different affiliate links, building funnels, building landing pages, collecting emails, building an email subscriber list, building an audience, and just building a big affiliate empire overall. So what I really recommend is click on this playlist over here. It will really help you out, and I'll see you over there.